Hi, Lilac 45. So this video is to clarify the homework assignment that is due before class on Monday. Here we are on Blackboard. I'm going to click on this folder right over here. You see a couple items. The first item is the IQ test questions that we played with in class. Feel free to try them out on friends and family and see how it turns out. Scrolling down, we'll see that this is the homework that is due before Monday's class. As a reminder, we are meeting in the computer lab on Monday, so please go directly to AH206. Looking at the homework, there are two main items. I'm going to start with item number 2 because it's shorter. For number 2, I would like for you to find someone to interview as part of your final essay. This person should be someone whom you consider to be successful. And it could be success in terms of academic schoolwork or success in their career or any other aspect of success that you would qualify in one's life. Ideally, this is someone that you don't really know well. That way you get to know them through the interview. Once you found that person to interview, go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to this chart. Please complete this chart with first your name, the name of the person you want to interview, and then explain how they're related to you. So maybe they're a professor, maybe they're your doctor, your cousin, your uncle, or if there's no relation, put no relation. Then in about a sentence, go ahead and tell me why did you choose this person to interview. In other words, how do they represent success to you? All right, so that is number 2 of the homework assignments. Number 1 has to do with chapter 8 of Outliers. There are 3 steps. Step 1 is before you read the chapter. I would like for you to post a reflection in the Outliers forum right over here on the left. And this part of the assignment is due by Friday. The reflection questions are listed right here. I would like for you to tell me where you think that a person's work ethic comes from. In other words, where do you think a person's desire to work hard? Where do you think that a person's belief that hard work will benefit one's character and abilities come from? So I would like to see 5 sentences for this question. Please do not Google your answers. I want to know what you think. The second question is the same, has the same criteria. And the question is, describe what being a hard worker means to you. So again, 5 sentences, don't Google. Feel free to add a couple examples to support your answer. So for step 1, you're going to post in the form that's right here. So you're just going to click just like you did before. You can see that the instructions are listed again. Click on here, click on create thread, and then go ahead and click step 1 and 3. And I'll explain number 3 in just a second. So go ahead and type responses to step 1, for example. Except you're going to type your responses, not what I just typed here. Once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click submit. Right, and there we go. So once you posted this by Friday, I'm going to go back to assignments. You're going to move on to step 2. And that is to actually read the chapter. I recommend you also take notes, of course. And if you're interested in listening, the audio clip is right here. Once you're done reading chapter 8, you're going to move on to step 3, which is after you read the chapter, I would like to see you post a reply to your own reflection from step 1. And step 3 is due before class on Monday. Step 3, the questions are, well, after you read the chapter, did your view about work ethic and hard work change? If it did change, how was your view different from what Gladwell says about work ethic and hard work? So in other words, maybe in step 1 you thought one way, and then after reading the chapter you thought differently. And then so, basically it's a compare contrast. If your view did not change, then you would have to tell me, okay, well, what was it you said in step 1 was similar to what Gladwell says in the book? All right, so when you're ready to post your response to step 3, you're going to go back to the form right here. Okay, and then you go click right here. You're going to find where you posted before. In this case, this is what I just posted. Click on it. So I'm going to post step 3 as a reply. So you're going to click on your own post, click on reply. And then you're going to go ahead and type your response to step 3, except it's actually going to be a response. All right, and click on submit when you're done. And there we go. Step 1, the post for step 1, the post for step 3. Let me know if you have any questions. I will see you on Monday.